Steve Bannon has got the idea. I'm behind him on this. Crush it now.
Then the pushback will be, your time up will be even better. But you've got to flood it with cash today. You got to use every power of the Fed. In fact, new powers for the Fed, new powers for the Treasury. This is a war. And
got to
people
watch
in this
that
town
Fed.
are still thinking of convention like it's 2008. This is so much deeper than 2008. And I'm not saying a giveaway to the corporation. It's the last thing I want.
Right.
Yep.
We have 20 seconds left here. Do you worry that the healthcare system is on the brink? I was told yesterday by someone who said to me, look, we're only several hours away from no more beds, no more ventilators. Peter Navarro is working on getting the supply chain back here. But what's the impact there? Very quickly, Steve.
The CCP virus that the CCP unleashed on the world has now in the brink of potentially destroying the New York City healthcare system. That's why President Trump and Governor Cuomo are going all in. Every piece of equipment, the Navy's hospital ship, the Army Corps of Engineers, Mayor de Blasio, they're looking for other spaces, the Javits Center, they're going all in for the gating event, the ICUs, the emergency room, and our great first responders, the doctors and nurses.
We're gonna check in with the healthcare industry when we talk with the CEO of Johnson &
What we got here, people, I'm with Steve Bannon on this. We're taking quite a hit globally, losing trillions by the second, so to speak. Got to hit it now, get it under control, infuse fake capital into the marketplace until we can take that all out. Infuse a boatload of cash, keep people flush while they're locked down, stop the spread, and then get a grip on this and find out who in the hell did it. Ramblin' Randy, we down.